Today, I'll show you how to export Microsoft Planner to PDF. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now, open the plan you want to export. Before exporting, choose the view you want to save as a PDF. For example, you can use Board View if you want to show tasks as cards and columns. You can use Grid View if you want a cleaner table-style list. You can also use Charts or Schedule View if you want to show progress or deadlines. For most PDF exports, Grid View is usually the easiest to read. Once you choose the view, organize the plan before printing. Use Filter if you only want to show certain tasks. For example, you can filter by assigned person, progress, label, priority, or due date. You can also use Group By to organize the tasks in a better way. When the screen looks the way you want, open your browser print menu. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On Mac, press Command+P. A print window will appear. In the printer options, choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Now check the print preview. Make sure the tasks are visible and not cut off. If the layout does not look good, change the page orientation. Use Landscape if your planner board is wide. Use Portrait if you are exporting a simple task list. You can also adjust the scale setting to make more content fit on the page. For example, lower the scale if some columns are missing. After checking the preview, click Save or Print, depending on your device. Choose where you want to save the PDF file, give it a clear name, and confirm. Now your Microsoft Planner view should be saved as a PDF. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams and the print layout does not look good, try opening the same plan directly in the Planner web app. The browser version often gives you a cleaner result when saving to PDF. Another option is to export your Planner tasks to Excel first, if that option is available. Then you can format the spreadsheet and save or export it as a PDF. This is useful if you want a more organized report with columns, dates, assignments, and status. So, to keep it simple, open your plan, choose the view you want, apply filters if needed, press Ctrl+P or Command+P, choose Save as PDF, check the preview, and save the file. And that's how you export Microsoft Planner to PDF. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.